Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do it to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also, guys, follow the Telegram. I will put the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting next on our New Zealand dollar JPY. Now, take a look at this our trend on New Zealand dollar JPY. We are very much in an uptrend move. So market is pushing up, right? This is a very bullish move to the upside. Now, if you take a look at this right here, we added this high on New Zealand dollar JPY. Then here comes the higher low. Markets eventually gave us a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Markets give us a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market pushed up again to form a new higher high. Has this new higher high form finished? No. So we still expect market to push further up till it fully forms this new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So more movement to the side is what we should be expecting on New Zealand dollar JPY that we eventually take out this previous high. So now let's take a look at it on this 4-hour time frame right here. So if this is the high, right? Market did an higher low here. Market eventually formed a new higher high. Market did an higher low here. Market eventually formed a new higher high. And guess what? We are now expecting a pullback, which will be an higher low. So guys, if you are in on the buy, now is the best time and best opportunity to start hopping out with your profits right now. You know, a lot of traders right now would start stacking in on the buy, due to FOMO, which is fear of missing out. They might think, okay, they are going to miss out on this trade. So, and that's it's not going to be a good idea because markets will start giving us a pullback anytime so very soon. So a pullback is what we should be expecting on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So once the pullback plays out finish, we should expect another push up that will form a new higher high. So guys, your pullback is what you should be expecting first. So once you get the pullback, then we can now start looking for another buy that will form a new higher high. So bullish move is what you should be expecting for the day on New Zealand dollar JPY. But guys, first wait for your pullback. Make sure this sell plays out first. The sell should play out first before you start looking for your buy. If the sell does not play out, it will be best you did not look out for your buy. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. Or you just need to just click on that subscribe button, like and share, and also follow the Telegram and click that bell notification so you will get an update instant